Hey there, welcome back to my Empire Pro. Over the last 30 days, 4 of my online money making ventures served a whopping 200 plus people. And guess what? I've made some of the easiest money in my life through this. Today, I'm thrilled to share the 5 secrets that helped me achieve this. So, if you're looking to make money online, stick around because these tips might just change your life. Bold claim. Did you know the best way to make money online is to teach others how to make money online, even if you've never made a penny yourself? Sounds cool, right? Okay, I'm kidding. Or am I? If you can put a convincing act, you might just pull it off. That's why we have so many gurus today, more than actual business owners who are out there serving just information and making money. But let's get real. We're here to talk about running an actual online business, right? Becoming another guru who teaches others to become gurus isn't sustainable. It's only a matter of time before the internet gods crack down on them. Remember, money comes from only one source: people. When you follow our digital marketing framework, you discover that there are 3 core pillars: value, systems, and people. Essentially, the more value you provide to people, the more money you make. If your goal is to maximize revenue and profit, you need efficient systems to maximize the number of people you serve. Before we dive into the five best ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button to stay updated on all our videos and live sessions. Now, let's get into it. Way number 5. Let's count down. Way number 5. Leverage your passion and expertise. Everyone has something they are good at, something they enjoy doing that also serves other people. Before you stumbled upon this video, there was something you already knew how to do. It could be anything: cooking, teaching, coding, fitness, whatever it is. This becomes your goldmine. Think about it. If you're good at something, chances are that among the 3 billion users and consumers online, someone is struggling with it. They would happily pay you if you set up a virtual shop and then they found you. For example, I love teaching. I started by flipping real estate. Then I moved into digital marketing after a few years. On top of that, I've had a successful relationship with my wife, which is rare, considering up to 75% of marriages are toxic. I've made money by leveraging these experiences, collaborating with others, and solving problems in these areas, helping people solve problems. Way number 4, content creation. Content is king in the digital marketing world, but what is content exactly? It's information packaged into consumable formats like articles, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and more. Creating content is one of the most efficient ways to deliver value to as many people as possible. You can spend 100 minutes explaining something to one person, or you can create a piece of content once and have it viewed by hundreds or thousands of people in just a few seconds by hitting the publish button. When done correctly, content creation can be incredibly lucrative. The best part? You don't have to be the original creator of the content. You just need to know how to package information into digital content, and you could become one of the highest paid people in the world. So take my YouTube channels, for example. One of them, a small channel at that, attracted 130 new subscribers, 27,600 views, and 261,200 minutes watched in a single month. Another channel with no new content added still attracted 30 new subscribers, 4,116 views, and 11,800 minutes watched. Content creation is one of the closest strategies to making residual income. And as you are watching this, we've added another view. If you enjoy the content, subscribe and share it. Please like it. It helps a lot. Way number 3, search engine optimization, SEO. When you have a question, what's the first thing you do? You probably Google it, right? If you're a bit old school, maybe you use Yahoo. And if you're really tech savvy, you might use ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Most people who own websites end up with digital ghost town, no visits. And if there are any visits, they are from close friends and families who probably won't buy anything. That's where search engine optimization SEO comes in. SEO is the process of optimizing a website so that it gets indexed by search engines for visibility. When people search for something your website provides answer to, it gets presented on the search engine results page, the SERP, SERP. SEO skills are highly valuable because they connect qualified people with the value on these web pages. For instance, one of our online properties attracted 195 web visits from search engines last month, presenting our web pages 15,100 times for free. Okay, it takes time and skills, but it's worth it. SEO can also be applied to videos to get them indexed and attract even more organic traffic. Way number 2, paid ads and retargeting. Paid advertising is a powerful way to get your products and services in front of more people quickly. You invest money directly for exposure. To do this effectively, you need to understand creatives, the visuals that will be placed in different online ads and ad placements. You also need to set up the ads and manage them for ongoing optimization. With this skill, you can make more money with your existing business or offer advertising setup and management services to others. And let's not forget about retargeting. Retargeting allows you to set ads designed to target people who have already visited your website. Imagine someone visits your site, browses around, but doesn't buy anything. With retargeting, you can serve ads specifically to these visitors, reminding them of what they left behind and encouraging them to return, take action, and even make a purchase. It's like a gentle nudge, bringing them back to your site and potentially converting them into customers. Way number 1, coaching and consulting. In the past, you could create a course, sell it online, and make money without ever being present. You can still do that, but it's easier to stand out as a coach or consultant, especially if your offer is purely informational. Coaching and consulting provide a personalized way to deliver your services and make money. You can charge a premium for your time because clients value that personal touch. This doesn't mean you should stop selling courses. In fact, being available for premium consulting can make it easier to sell your courses. It's all about psychology. Coaching and consulting are among the best ways to make money online, especially if you enjoy what you're sharing. There you have it. 5 of the best ways to make money online. 1. Leverage your passion or expertise. 2. Create valuable content. 3. Optimize for search engines. 4. Invest in paid ads. And Number 5, consider coaching and consulting. Each of these methods has the potential to transform your financial situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's help each other make money online and create the lives we dream of. Tell me in the comment area which of the 5 ways that I have shared in this video, which of the 5 ways do you feel more connected to, either from a standpoint of experience or desire. If you'd like for me to personally coach you or your team, please go to www.myempirepro.com/3-pillar system. I will also give you access to download my book, Digital Marketing Certified, for free. All right. I'll give you a chance to download this for free. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.